Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some paper clusters. I was in the mood to tear into paper and sew on paper that day. And so what I did is I just went to town, I was watching Netflix, and then I just started layering. So we're going to start with these paper clusters. Some of them are sewn and some of them are just glued on. So let's start with this one. I used majority would be probably Willow collection for this. Excuse me. So I just layered them all up, and then I tore these papers. I tore them and then folded them and then stitched them together. I thought it gave a very beautiful kind of layered look. Let me give you a little bit of here. I think that's a better way to look at it. See the dimension, some flowers with pearl centers. I thought they would be so cute on top of a gift bag or on top of like an embellishment that you're gonna be sending out to your partner. Let me see if I can find one. Look, this is a Felicity Jane embellishment bag, and then just imagine if you glue that and then you can put your stuff inside. Wouldn't that be so cute? How cute would that be? Anyway, so that's a concept for that. Here's another variation of the same thing. Just tore up the sides to give a little bit more texture, and then I sewn on this paper. Use a lot of foam and then called it good. It's gonna look so cute as part of the packaging. Isn't that cute, guys? And this is a third one. We're gonna use the same packaging. As you can see, how cute would that be to send as Happy Mail? That's why don't throw any of your packaging, because you can definitely reuse it. How cute would that be? And then these are a little bit smaller ones. Like this would not, no, it's not gonna work. It's too small. But this one could work. So cute. Same concept, just layering it and putting a sentiment in a die cut and the flower. Just 4 simple ingredients. So cute. Same concept, but different sentiments. And then these ones are so cute. They're very dainty. I need to practice definitely on my sewing skills. But I thought the sewing, having it sewn, adds so much. And this one I was experimenting on the heart punch that I got from Tuesday morning. And I thought that was really precious. So cute. So with that one, I just wanted to show you these. I made these a while back. This is some tiny little books. I used some scrap vellum inside. You know, if you are somebody who writes down your passwords for certain websites, this would be such a cute idea. I just stapled it and covered the spine with a washi tape. I thought that was so cute. It's so tiny. Fits in the palm of your hand, so it can be in your purse. And then this one is another variation of that, but a little bit bigger. So it's the same concept. You're still gonna have sheets of paper. You staple that and cover it, and then you slide it right there. So cute. Then this last one, this is a small money envelope. I was just experimenting on it, and then I layered it all up. I thought it was so cute how pretty it turned out. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys, just in case it inspires you today to use your scrap stash. If you have any questions, let me know down below. I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely appreciate it. Like and subscribe if you prefer. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Have a wonderful crafty day. Bye.